Ano nga ba yung mga topic sa loob ng live webinar? Once makapasok na kayo sa registration page, scroll down lang pababa at makikita nyo yung overview ng tinatawag naming click system. So hayaan nyo akong i-share ng bahagya ang mga topics. Attend our live webinar and discover these 5 secrets. Secret number 1, choose the right market. Paano pumili ng market na may consistent demand at strong income potential? Secret number 2, lead magnet. Paano mag-attract ng tamang audience na mas likely maging buyers? Secret number 3, income automation. Paano gumamit ng system na tumutulong mag-generate ng sales kahit hindi ka active 24/7. Secret number 4, cash multiplier. Paano i-maximize ang kita gamit strategies inspired by brands like McDonald's and Jollibee. Secret number 5, keep and compound. Paano mapanatili ang customers para magkaroon ng repeat sales at long-term growth. That's all. See you inside the webinar.